Hello guys, this is Ahmed from IAM's platform. I am here to share with you the to-do app development tutorial so you can understand the basic concepts of Django. In this app, we will learn how to add data in database, how to delete specific data, how to represent database data in template. Our main learning outcomes will be virtual environment setup for Django project and app installation, MVT concept in Django, that is the model view template, and it's all is working. So we will learn also the CRUD operation, create, read, update working in Django. So in this app we are basically doing the create and read work, and the app update work is not required, so we are also doing the delete operation as well for this to-do list and much more. The most important thing is that we will learn all this with real project development, so our interest, motivation and focus should remain at peak. At the end we will have a portfolio as well. Before to start this workshop session, I have uploaded this project on GitHub, so you can download and explore it. Download link is mentioned in description. We'll meet you soon again in next Django virtual environment setup. Bye bye.